Let's craft a stunning waterfall effect with layered descending envelopes. Ready to begin?
Just line them up. Just like this. Try to get them as lined up as closely as you can. And as you can see, the sizes are descending in size. So I tried to do a 1/2 inch less each time, but my math's not that great. So as you can tell, it is descending, but not quite 1/2 inch. You don't have to do it a 1/2 inch. You can make each envelope just smaller and smaller. You can eyeball it, pretty much what I ended up doing. But you've got this cool effect right here, and then when you turn it over, oops, when you turn it over on the other side, you've got this beautiful waterfall. And these will just open up just like that, and you've got all your goodies inside, and then you can decorate how you see fit on the outside. Now, isn't that cool? All right, so the first thing we're going to do is get these glued together.